Hi everyone, welcome to shsirclasses. Today in this video we have to draw a circle with radius 6 centimeter. So constructing a circle with radius 6 centimeter. So let's start the video. First of all, drawing here a line of length 6 centimeter. So this is starting 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So first drawing here a line of length 6 centimeter, and this is O and P. So OP equal to 6 centimeter. Now taking here a point, and this is O point. Now next, taking the length OP by compass by this way and putting the compass here and drawing a arc by this way, and this represents a circle with radius 6 centimeter. Okay, now joining the center and the perimeter to get the radius. So first joining this line to get the radius of this circle. Okay, so this is P, so radius OP equal to 6 centimeter. So therefore radius OP equal to 6 centimeter. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks for watching, and please like the video.